going to unbox my order again. I have another order. It's a mouse and a mouse pad for my laptop. Ayan. So here's the mail. This is the mail, guys. For my mouse, I think inside. This is the mouse inside because I can feel it's a mouse. And yeah, let's unbox first the mouse. Okay? Unbox muna tayo nito. Madali lang itong i-unbox kasi ayan lang. Madali lang to, di ba? O, ayan siya, guys. Ito yung siya, guys. Ayan. Yay! Very nice, guys. Very nice. I think I need battery for this one, guys. Maybe there's no battery in here. I don't know how to open, guys. Can you you just that one, guys. And here's the USB of the mouse. So that's my new mouse. Yeah, cordless mouse, guys. Cordless mouse. Yay! Different style, guys. And then that's it, guys, for my unboxing of my mouse. So now next is my mouse pad. And it's easy to unbox. You just share and I will throw my packaging. Ayan, so here's the one, guys. It's in a plastic. Ayan siya. So that's it one, guys. This one, guys. Ayan siya. That one. Let's see. Ayan. So I'll show you. I will attach this one in my this one is not gonna attach in my laptop. Only my this one either it's a cordless. So only the USB will attach in the laptop because it's a cordless. So now I show you how. I think you know already. I'm sure. Everyone use a cordless mouse and now have a mouse pad, isn't it? So I just put this one in the clip. Okay, so I got this battery, guys. I put this one now in. Hopefully this battery is full charge. Now we're gonna on this one here. I'll put this one here. Show you guys.
Trying to impress me, pulling out all the stops, making my head dizzy when you tell me what you want. I just wanted you to see me, never thought you'd notice. Thought that you should know I'm already sold, so never let me go. You had me at a la 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 la. I can see you trying, finding ways inside my head. something out of focus. I can hear a word you say. 'Cause I don't care about your game. I just wanted you to see me. Thought that you should know I'm already sold, so never let me go. You already had a la 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 la. Stop talking, I don't care. With you, my mind is clear. La 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 la. Have me at hello. La 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 la. Have me at hello. La 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 la. Have me at hello.
That's all my unboxing. Mousepad and a mouse for my laptop. Ayan. So, guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please turn on the bell also for you to notified for my next videos. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. And please don't forget to leave a comments there, guys. What do you think for my mousepad and a mouse? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.